here. This is my old medal combo pack Mush Rider. Oh, see? So it's Panda, but it's made in China. Of course, everything is made in China. I already got the real medal, the real toy, and the real belt. I don't know why did I buy this, the bootleg stuff. Okay, it's just buy it for fun. And okay, there's nothing to say, but I need to see this. Wait a minute! Just wait a minute. Okay, here I come. So just to see this. Cute. Kids, be careful with scissors. Although I'm a kid. So cut this. Come on, cut it already. Wish I got a real, I wish I got a good one. Shit. Damn it. Again. Man, this scissors okay, I don't want to see the medals. I need mine. I need surprise. First I'll let you see. Oh my god, it's raining. I'll let you see the instruction. I think I'm in Malaysia, so it's from China. It's from China, so it's saying Madrid. Yeah. The game is not actually very fun though. It's boring. Yes. Okay. See. Yes. Actually no. Actually okay lah. Not very happy and not very sad. Damn it, I didn't expect this, but okay, quite good. Got Mantis and this, I don't know what the hell is this. As you can see, wait a minute. I have the both real Mantis and Logan. It's very yeah, expect more from this man. Okay, so this both I already have it. Now I'm going to keep this. Next pack. Where's the next pack? Okay, I'll cut it out. Is the instruction again. Shit lah! See this back? I'll let you see this back. See ya? This back. You can see this out. And then you see what I already have it, dumbass. Why do you give it me the same one? Shit lah! There's nothing surprise me. God damn it. I hate it. No! 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 Whatever lah. I got this deal. And then this. Okay. This is all from me. See you guys.